Welcome to today's gold market review for February 23, 2026. We provide factual and educational reporting on the gold market. This professional market analysis focuses on the current price action, macroeconomic indicators, and structural factors influencing gold. Our purpose is solely educational, providing you with a clear, calm, and factual overview of the gold market as of today's date. Gold prices are consolidating just below the key psychological $5,000 per ounce threshold. Let's begin with a market overview and the recent price action. During today's session, bullion is hovering in the $4,980 to $4,995 range. The market is currently reassessing macroeconomic signals and overall risk sentiment after briefly testing higher levels last week. Next, let's look at the key macroeconomic forces and the policy environment influencing gold's direction. Intermittent firmness in the US dollar creates mild pressure, while US Treasury yields remain stable in the low 4% range. Federal Reserve policymakers maintain a measured, data-dependent tone, avoiding strong forward guidance. Real yield dynamics are relevant, as higher real returns can reduce gold's appeal. Upcoming inflation and employment data will be critical. Moving on to technical analysis, let's examine the momentum and key reference levels. Gold exhibits consolidation characteristics with the relative strength index near neutral territory and MACD readings flattening, consistent with range-bound conditions. Resistance remains firm at the $5,000 level. Immediate support is found between $4,950 and $4,970. Volume patterns show compression near resistance, a development that frequently precedes a directional move once a definitive catalyst emerges. Finally, let's analyze structural and geopolitical demand factors providing underlying support for gold. Physical gold consumption in Asian markets and central bank reserve diversification strategies continue to underpin gold's baseline support. Broader global uncertainties sustain safe haven interest in capital flows into gold, reinforcing its established role as a portfolio diversifier. To summarize today's gold market review, gold is consolidating near the $5,000 threshold, balancing macroeconomic headwinds with persistent structural demand. Confirmation of the next sustained move will depend heavily on forthcoming economic data and further guidance from the Federal Reserve. This content is for educational reporting only and does not constitute financial advice. Subscribe now for our daily professional gold market updates.